Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a Pikachu puppet.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw a shape of Pikachu very quickly. I draw his eyes, then his nose. I draw his mouth. I start with the head and ears and a circle for his cheek and his arms. Then the body like this, his two legs. Very nice. Now let's divide everything with lines like this. I draw small circles in all the lanes. Excellent!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
For his mouth, I used 2 different shades of red. To color, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Oops! Then I use orange. Yellow. Then light green. Light blue. Purple. And pink. Fuchsia. Amazing!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.